Hello guys, welcome again. So today I have prepared a paneer cheese sandwich. So let me show it to you. This is how it looks. This is looking nice. So let me taste it. This and nice. It tastes well. Delicious. So it took me around 20 minutes to prepare this. Let me show how it looks from inside. So this is how it looks. So there is a green chutney sauce which I prepared at home, and then paneer and cheese and butter. So it is looking great. So don't forget to make it at your end. If you want to know the recipe, do leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye.